Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the AIB decline in the mobile app. First, check your account balance to make sure that you have enough funds for the payment. Next, confirm that your card is active and not expired, or blocked card will not allow the transactions. Next, swipe off from the bottom of your screen, look for the AIB app, wait for a few while, swipe it away, wait for a few while, and then reopen it. Then restart your phone before trying the payment again. You should also head over to your App Store or your Play Store, search for the AI Mobile Banking app, and update your app to the latest version from the App Store. Updating your app ensures you have all the latest files and bug fixes, so update it. Then, if your card still declined, contact AIB support because the bank may have blocked your transactions for security reasons. That's how you fix the AIB card declined in mobile app. Do not forget to subscribe for more easy guides.